Hi, today I'm going to show you how to refresh all data in WPS spreadsheet. This function may be really useful if you are using special formulas. For example, if you are using the rand formula to generate the numbers, it may be really useful if you want to generate another numbers here, because this data will not be changed if you will not refresh the cell or the spreadsheet. So to refresh the cell, you can select the cell which you want to refresh, you can click on the command and you can press enter. It is the first method. And the second method to refresh data is based on the data tab. We need to open here data tab, and here we need to go to refresh all option, and here we need to click on refresh all. After that it will be refreshed, and of course sometimes if you need to refresh only data, you can select this one option. And of course remember that if you want to refresh all data here, you can try to use shortcut Ctrl Alt F5 to do it. So in this way you can easily do it in WPS spreadsheet. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.